Good day, guys. How na day? Hope we are all good. So today's tutorial, we're going to do a ankara head wrap. So I'm just trying to put just little 2 steps before picking the remaining one. So just continue watching and still how I did it. This one is very simple. So I'm just trying to tie it. You see how I tie it. Then you pack everything to the front. Then just continue picking. After packing it together, you see, I just use my hand to trace the step. You see what I did here? You see, that's how I did it. That's how I did it. I just pick it. I use my hand to trace the step. So see, I'm just picking it. That's how I did it. Okay, I'm just trying to get this step. So you see where I hold, that place that I hold. See it? I hold her. So that place we have to turn it. We have to twisted it. You see. So after twisted it, you see there is one hand long than other. You see that one? Just take it to the back. You see it? Take it to the back. You see? Then we're going to lose the one we've tied before. Then put it inside and tie it together. That is what I did. So the remaining one, we're going to use this to form small rows there. That is just it. Yes. Used to form small rows. Then take pin. I use pin to pin that place down. Yeah. So you see that place that I'm touching, that white. So we're going to put it inside. We're going to put it inside. Then I use pin to pin it down. So guys, see how simple it is. Simple and quick one. So if I return viewer, thank you so much. And if today is your first time seeing my video, please subscribe and also turn on your notification bell so that anytime I'm uploading new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Okay guys, I'm just trying to knit that place. You see the hub, look at the back of it. So alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.